front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo and the camera at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a picture and add it within Messages app, use Camera section at the top. After you will take a pic, it will be automatically added to your message. All you need to do is send it. To add photos that are already on your device, click on the same icon, hold this line right below photo, and drag it up. This way you will be able to pick any photos from your phone from different folders, and when you finished, select Done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!